Falls Fall is right around the corner. I'm coming from a different angle now. Once I hit that corner, total different view. One of my favorite falls. Beautiful, man. I'm gonna turn this camera around so you can see. Okay, the camera's turned around. There it goes. What a beauty. Unbelievable. Crazy view. Look at that. Look at that. Narrow hike. You see how narrow it is? Look at that, oh. Look at that. You only live once. You only live once. You never see it because you're never outside. But you can keep watching my videos. I'll post it for you.